We're at Folkestone now, at the end of the tunnel.
We were accompanied by
Vladimir.
Yeah, three Russians through most of London, and then two of them stayed with us for most of the way down here, and Vladimir stayed with us all the way to the entrance to the tunnel.
And well, I've just been in to get some euros, and the lady at the Traveller's Bureau has just given us 20 quid towards our course.
And we've just found out we've had 60 quid raised from people at the Ace Cafe as well.
Yeah. So we'll see you in France. No, actually, we'll see you on the train, won't we?
Yeah.
People might say my life is in a rut. I'm quite happy with what I got. People might say that I should strive for more, but I'm so happy I can see the same things happening here today. A show of strength with your boys brigade. And I'm so happy and you're so fine. You want more money across the mine. My nuclear test was for atomic crimes, and the public gets what the public wants. But I want nothing to say, it's got some going underground. Where's the brass bands play up? Stacks of pound going underground. Where's the boys all sing, where's the boys all shout for tomorrow? People might get some pleasure out of hate me. I've got enough already on my plate. People might need some tension to relax me. I'm too busy.
Followed by an evacuation announcement. Here is the alarm signal. You can move directly to the safety cabinet. Please use a precautionary measure while circumventing this crossing. Thank you for your attention.
Channel Toll train. First part of the journey's over. Well, here we are this night. We're in Calais. Found our exceedingly tasty hotel, and as you can see, an exceedingly tasty room. It has been described as a bathroom with 2 beds in it. As you look round,
Hello!
what a fantastic picture. Yes. Even got the little winky hole down there, you know. Alright.
Guten Tag from Deutschland.
Mein Herren.
We are mostly standing at a petrol station having Wiener Schnitzel, and we are about 100 miles from Berlin, where there will be many ladies having sex with us ladies. Well, that's what I was thinking as I was riding along. It's going alright so far, not as quite as fast as we hoped, having taken a couple of wrong turnings and being absolutely shattered.
Yeah, we're about, I reckon, 300 miles from Potsdam.
Yeah.
Somewhere to the east of Hanover and somewhere to the west of Berlin.
Yeah.
And we found it very interesting to be turboing along at a fairly excessive speed and then see all German cars going blasting past us.
No regard for the speed limit. There isn't one.
The party people in the place to be. Yeah, this is Cool Calm P. I'm gonna do this in G minor. It goes lost in the season, running out of choices. Hard to cope with these lingering voices. It's hopeless, I got problems with authority. It's like the moral of the story is calling me for silly pranks.
That's all I put straight down.
This game is fun, these kids done jinxed Fix these plans, I got hopes and dreams, son. Rolling downhill, and the year had just begun. I seen America lonely with its heart. Hello, wrote this on the back of a greeting card. From this bleeding heart, dripping down a bit.
Well, we're on the Rothschild Road, and we've turned up by the other one there, right there. So we need to step back, go up and follow the
city, running out of choices, going nowhere fast, still hearing voices. Come on, legs, come on, feet. I'm just trying to make a little bit of history. Like you write with a Sharpie and you made a fine point. Now all city, you're hitting at the 5 points. Jonesing for another attack next wave. The fake stunts, that's strictly for Super Day. Sun don't shine, now hit the
thanks, Joe.
if you got
So let's keep it up.
that beat, the antidote over the working class beat. Woken with the PMs, the faces all crusty. My feet cold and the keys are dusty. I'm snowed in, I plow through these negatives. Such a pain when the repetitive. So why bother even taking these next steps? Even yesterday is harder to recollect. Muster it up and step out of the house. Take a little trip and start turning it out. Lost in the city, running out of choices. Going nowhere fast, still hearing voices. Come on, legs, come on, feet. I'm just trying to make a little bit of history. I'm homesick, rocking the New York logo. It's only been a week and you ain't made no dough. Well, that blows, and these are the breaks. A tall order of beef is high stakes. This is dedicated to the ones who think they getting old. Since childhood, they've been calling you an old soul. Now bop that head, it's hip-hop irony. For 20 some odd years, probably acting the same way. Ain't nothing really